But when I push on the button, I can hear it humming, so it's possible just the belt. It's not the bottom that detaches, it's the top, which is the blue. So there's two screws right there and there. There's two screws, and then the ones along there. I took the two shorter screws from the second one, and then I undid that. And let's see if it opens up now. Huh. Well, I got it loose a little bit here. I wonder if there's screws behind these wheels. I'll check that out. Yeah, I took the little wheels off, and there's definitely screws underneath it, right in here. So I'll undo those two, and then the cover should come off. Got these two out. Oh, let's see if the cover comes off. Cover's off. The belt just slipped off the motor. Right here. Slip it back on. Even got the... Let's see if it spins properly. Oh yeah, it's spinning nicely. Yeah. Okay, we'll fire it up and see what happens now.